Hi, let's prepare today tasty potato bites. For this, we have to roast cumin, coriander, red chilli and jeera all together. After that, now take a powder mortar and add in all the roasted spices except the red chilies. Keep it to roast. Now into the mortar, powder it nicely. This should be powdered finely. The ingredients are finely chopped onions, breadcrumbs, the spices and the chili flakes. We have to take in a bowl and add smashed potatoes, onions, red chili flakes and the spices. Now we have to add in the breadcrumbs. Now add in salt to taste and some turmeric powder to it, and add in red chili powder. It depends upon your taste of spice. And the last ingredient is mozzarella cheese. This ingredient makes the whole dish more tasty. Now it is time to mix them all. It is better to mix in hand because it mixes all the ingredients finely. Now take flour, salt and warm water into a bowl and mix them well. Mix them until it becomes watery. Now shape it into round. After that, dip it into the flour watery and fry them until it becomes brown. Then the recipe is ready. It is very tasty and yummy. Do try and comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share my